Hello class, a very pleasant morning to all of you. Today, I Richa Parekh from St. Thomas High School Mahua am here to further continue with the subject of English for the students of class 7th. My dear students, today we are going to further continue with activity number 9 of unit number 5, that is health and nutrition. So let's see activity number 9. The following are the compound words related to food. Use them in your own sentences and find 5 new compound words related to food and also use them in your own sentence. So here a few words are given which explains us about what is food and how it is related to food. So we need to make a 5 few sentences through which we can understand this particular word in a proper meaning. So let's see food chain. A food chain or web is a linear consequence of link in a food web starting from a species that eats no other species in the web and ends at the species that is eaten by no other species in the web. So here we need to understand the meaning of food chain. Food chain is a linear consequence of links. That means it is connected in such a way that there can be 4 or 5, 3 or 4 states where one animal or a thing, one animal is eating the other animal. There are chances that the chain can be of 4 stages or 4 levels or 5 levels. So food chains vary in the length from 3 to 6 or more levels. A food chain consisting of a flower, a frog, a snake, and an owl consists of 4 levels, whereas a food chain consisting of grass, grasshopper, rat, snake, and finally a hawk consists of 5 levels. Let's see the second one, food poisoning. Food poisoning is where someone gets sick after eating food or a drink that has gone bad or it is contaminated. There are two kinds of food poisoning: poisoning by the toxic agent or by infectious agent. Food infection is when the food contains bacteria or other microbes. So here, food poisoning. This is a kind of diseases where someone gets sick because of the food or the drink which is not healthy, which has gone bad or it is injurious for health. There are two kinds of food poisoning, one by the toxic, that means which is poisonous agent of the food, and the other is by infection, that means when the food has some kind of bacteria or microbes. If we consume such food, we get food poisoning. So food poisoning is also called a foodborne illness. It results from consumption of contaminated food, pathogenic bacteria, virus or parasites that contaminated food, that means that are included in food. The third one is food value. The food value of a particular food is measured of how good it is to you based on its level of vitamins, minerals and calories. So here when we consume such kind of food, when we consume the kind of food, so it the value of the food can be done by what kind of food it is, how quality, what quality of food, how much good it is for us on the basis of vitamins, minerals and other and calories. So it is always the nutritional value of food. The nutritional value of spinach and other leafy vegetables is greater than that of the nutritional food value of almost any other food. So the fourth one is food processor, an electric domestic appliance designed to speed the preparation and the mixing of the ingredients by automatic chopping, grating and blending. So what is food processor? That means it is a kitchen appliance which is used in order to make the cooking process easy. When we need to cut vegetables, when we need to chop or blend any of the vegetables or any other ingredients of the kitchen, so food processor is used. Hence, we can say a food processor is a kitchen appliance used to facilitate repetitive tasks in the preparation of food. And the very last one is food group. A food group is a collection of food that shares the similar nutritional properties or biological classifications. So when there are what is food group? When there is a collection of the food that have similar nutrition value, That means when we look at the dairy products like milk, paneer, etc., that is a particular food group which is provided on the basis of the dairy products. So let's see a food group. Milk products, generally known as dairy, is a very large food group. The other food groups are fruits, grains, meat, sweet, vegetables, and water. My dear students, here we are at the end of today's video. In the very next class, we'll be further continuing with activity number 10. Thank you and have a nice day.